In this lesson, we will be learning our next chord, which is called B minor. The chord B minor is a little different to the other chords we have learned so far. First of all, we place our first finger across all 4 strings in the 2nd fret. And make sure you press all 4 strings down tightly against the fretboard in order to get the correct sound. And finally, we place our 3rd finger in the 4th fret on the 1st string, which is the G string. When playing the chord B minor, you can play all the strings. So let's play the chord B minor together using strum 1, which is down, down, up. And we will start after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. B minor, B minor.